Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use the Huckleberry app. So let's get started. So here we can see the Huckleberry app. So we'll just open it. So basically this is app for your babies and children's. Okay, so you can just click on login, and if you have ID, log in with here. If you don't have, just click on sign up with your account. So basically this is the app for your children and you to be fit and be good in your little movements like this, as you can see. So you can just download and it will show you what is your good and what is bad for your health, and you can use it. So if you want to use, you can just use, and it's a very best app to do. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.